Habiba Joseph is my name, the founder of Blivos Academy.
Bullshit.
I want to show you how you can use fundamentals plus hedging as promised to trade the forex market and be in profit. Today is the 5th day of December 2025. I've been on this series. We started from 1st December, and 1st December I think we use I've forgotten the fundamental we use. We traded, we're in profit. 2nd of December we did so, we traded, we're in profit. 4th of December we did so, we traded, we're in profit. And today is another breaking news that will be released by 4 p.m. So I want to enter the market now, trade and be in profit. So let me show you the breaking news that will be released. So by 4 p.m. there are 3 breaking news that will be released. Core PCE price index, that is core personal consumer expectation price index. Prelim UoM Consumer Sentiment. UoM stands for University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment. And Prelim UoM Inflation Expectations. So these are the fundamentals that will be released today by 4 p.m. So I enter the market before the time, open 5 buy positions, open 5 sell positions, set my profit target, wait for the breaking news to be released, allow volatility to do its work. Then when I'm in profit, I close out, I leave. So let me show you how this will be done. So let me open my MT5 trading application. What I want to trade is gold. I'll click on it, click on charts. Now, if your account balance is less than $500, you use the lot size of 0.01. So this is the lot size, please. 0.01. 0.01. So I'm going to open 10 positions now and set their profit target and also stop loss. So watch me. The buy and sell, the buy is at the top right, the sell is at the top left. So I'm going to click on this simultaneously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've done that. I've opened all the positions, and all the positions were open at I think, yeah, I've opened all the positions. I want to set my profit target for all the buy and also for all the sell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have 5 buys, 5 sells. Let me set my profit target. Now the profit target for all the buy, for the first buy, is going to be the entry price plus 10. So 4241 plus 10 is 4251. Let me modify the trade. You click on modify position. Profit target 4251.04. Click on modify. 42. The next one will be 425141 plus 20. The next profit target, that is 4261.12. Click on modify. The third profit target for the buy is 4240.93 plus 30. So we are going to have 4270.93. Click on modify. The fourth profit target for the buy is 4240.75 plus 40. Click on modify. 4280.75. The last profit target for the buy is 4240.58 plus 50. That's 4290.58. So I've set my profit target for all the buy. Let me check okay, still recording. I've set my profit target for all the buy. What I want to do now, I want to set my profit target for all the sell. So for the sell, you're going to be subtracting -10 for each of, -10 from the first entry point of the sell. So for the first sell, we have 4241.02 -10, that is 4231.02. Let's modify position. Take profit is 4231.02. Click on modify. The next profit target is 4241.07 -20 for the sell. That is 4221 0.07. Click on modify. Okay, the next profit target is for the sell is 4240.91 minus 30. This is it. Modify 4210.91. Click on modify. The fourth profit target is 4240.65 minus 40. You click on the fourth cell, click on modify position. So 4240.65 minus 40 is 4200.65. We're not correct. The last profit target is 4240.50 minus 50. So we are going to have 4190.54. Click on modify. So now I've set my profit target for all the buy and for all the sell. So what is the rationale behind this strategy? Why am I opening 5 buy positions, 5 sell positions? So I got this this inspiration from Matthew chapter 25 verse 2 to 13. In that place of the scripture, Jesus talked about 5 of the wise virgins and 5 of the foolish virgins. So that's why I have 5 buy positions and 5 sell positions. Now Jesus described that the 5 wise virgins had extra oil, the 5 foolish virgins never had extra oil. So the 5 wise virgins had the capacity to wait. All of them were waiting for the Lord to come back. So when the Lord came back, the 5 wise virgins had extra oil to trim their lamps, but the 5 foolish virgins did not have extra oil. So 5 of the positions have been opened. It's either the trade goes up, that is in buy, or it goes down. If it goes down, the sell position will be in profit. So we are going to wait for it to come up to our entry point, then for us to close back, or to come up to the point where we have made $10 for the day. So my profit target position is $10 for a day. I wait for the trade to give me $10 for that day, then I close out. So for today, when 4 o'clock reaches, I'm going to allow the news to play out. If it goes up and hit my first profit target, hit my second profit target, I'll still wait, hit my third profit target. As it starts coming down, I'll be watching the trade. Immediately it is greater than my balance. My starting balance is 156. Immediately it's greater than my starting balance to a tone of $10 profit. That is, it becomes 166. I'm going to close out from the trade. So there's sometimes it's going to be more than 166, more than $10. What I'm looking for is just $10, since my account size is less than $200. Not account size, since the lot I'm using is just 0.01. If you have an account size of $200 and you're using a lot of 0.02, you should target $20 profits per trade. If your account balance is $300 and you're using a lot of 0.03, you should target $30 per trade. So the bigger the account size and the bigger the lot is, the bigger the profit you target per trade. So my account size is less than $200 and I'm using a 0.01 lot. So I'm targeting just $10 per trade. If I get $10 per trade, I'll be out. So I hope you have gotten to this point. Now I want to set my stop loss so that I don't lose everything from my account. What do I do? Now the stop loss for the buy, for all my buy, is going to be the take profit for my last sale. I'll take that again. The stop loss for my buy, all my buy, is the take profit for my sale, my last sale. So this is my last sale. I just tapped on it, and the take profit for my last sale is 4190.54. So that's going to be my stop loss for all my buy. So I'm going to modify my trade and put my stop loss. I'm going to modify my trade and put my stop loss. That sound came from yonder, the 50. So I'm modifying my buy. all my buy is going to have one stop loss, 4190.50. Okay, modifying all my buy, modify position 4190.50. Modify position 4190.50. Father, we give you praise. So it's a scriptural principle I'm using to trade, and so far so good. We've not been in loss. 4190.50. If you are in loss, we are already setting our profit target to minimize our loss. So I've set my stop loss for all my sell. For all my buy, I want to repeat same for my sell. Now the stop loss for my sell is going to be the take profit for my last buy, and the take profit for my last buy is 4290.58. so that's going to be my stop loss for all my sell. I'm going to modify it 4290.58. let me just copy this guy, click on copy, click on modify. So it's already 3 minutes to 4 p.m. let me modify quickly, modify. So where I got this data from, where I'm waiting for the breaking news to be released, is on Forex Factory website. 2 minutes to 4 o'clock, Forex Factory website. So today I'm expecting much volatility to be in the market. Let me go back to Forex Factory. I'm expecting much volatility to be in the market because we have 3 breaking news. Now you can see on Forex Factory it is 1 minute 33 seconds left for the breaking news to be released. So I'm expecting much volatility to be in the market because we have 3 breaking news: Core PCE price index, Prelim UoM Consumer Sentiment, and Prelim UoM Inflation Expectation. So now this is the stuff. Each and every one of them breaking news has their focus. The focus for Core PCE price index is 0.2%. Now if you click on this envelope here to the right of that, it say if the actual is greater than focus, is good for the currency. It means if we have 0.21% is greater than focus, it is good for the currency. It means people will be buying the United States dollars and be selling other currencies. So, but if it is less than focus, it means people will be selling the United States dollars and buying other currencies. And now what we just traded is gold. So if for the Core PCE price index, if the actual is greater than focus, it means people will be buying the United States dollars and selling the gold. But if it happens that the Prelim UoM Consumer Sentiment is less than focus, so there's going to be turbulence in the market. The big boss will say, okay, should we sell the United States dollars and buy the gold because of this fundamental? So because of this tussle, the market will go up and come down. So let's wait. It's 3 seconds, 2 seconds left, 1 second left, pending. So it's already 4 o'clock. Let me refresh so that we can see what's going on here. Pending. We're waiting for the data to be released. 4 o'clock. Okay. Okay. That of Prelim UoM Consumer Sentiment has been released. The actual is greater than focus. It means people will be buying the United States dollars and selling other currencies. So okay, now we have just one breaking news that was released, that the actual is greater than the focus. That's for Prelim UoM Consumer Sentiment. The actual is greater than the focus. For the Core PCE price index, the actual is the same as the focus. So these are possibilities in the when breaking news are released. So the actual is the same as the focus. So in this kind of situation, if this what happened and there are no other breaking news, what I do is I'll just close out from all my trade because nothing is going to happen in the market. So let us go back to our trade and see what's going on. Okay, so our trade is still around the region of our entry price. So I'm going to close out from this trade and leave, come back, come and see what has happened in the market. So what we are expecting is that people will be buying the United States dollars because of the Prelim UoM Consumer Sentiment. Let us go back to check. Yeah, Prelim UoM Consumer Sentiment shows that the actual is greater than the forecast. The actual is 53.3, the forecast was 52.0. So because of this, people will be buying the United States dollars and selling the gold. So we are expecting the gold to go down. Then because of this forecast to go down, then later go up. So let me close out for my trade. Not close out from my trade. Let me close out from this video. I'll come back to check how things are. My name is Arura Joseph. I'm the founder of Livos Academy. As usual, just take charge. Okay, I promise you that I will be back to show you how the trade went, and this is the 5th of December 2025, where I told you that I'm going to use the fundamentals that will be released by 4 p.m, which it was released by 4 p.m. This is the fundamentals that was released. Oh, what is showing here? Fundamentals that was released by 4 p.m. to trade the market. So I did so, and this is how the trade is going. So my starting balance was 156. Currently my balance is 166. So I'm going to close out from this trade. So let me go to H4. Let me go to W1 and D1. You can see that the trade closed out one buy position and it came down to my entry. So I'm going to close out all positions. So I've made a profit of $10 for today, and that's okay for me. My name remains Arura Joseph. I'm the founder of Livos Academy. I use fundamentals plus hedging to trade the forex market and to be in profits. As usual, you know what? Take charge.